Hello, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Enlighten from Enlighten Properties. So today I'm showing you the mock-up apartment of LUMA 22. Let's come and have a look. So there's the kitchen and built in the kitchen appliances, fridge, grill, and the quality of this one is very good quality. And we have like open plan kitchen only. For all the layout in LUMA 22, we have open plan kitchen. This is also your guest toilet. And this is your first master bedroom. And if you saw the quality, they are using very good quality of the material. And the ceiling is like 3.3 meter. The ceiling of the apartment is 3.3 meter. And the quality of this one is like very good quality, the finishing. So we are now in second bedroom. So there's standing shower, and now we are right now in LUMA 21. So they just changed the stuff of this one and for different. This is second bedroom. Okay, so let's keep in touch for if you want to buy or if you want to sell your property or if you want to buy property in LUMA 22. We're just the registered broker with them. So let's keep in touch and stay tuned for the video.